receives upgraded Kamov Ka52M Crocodile attack helicopter. The first upgraded Kamov Ka52M Alligator Hokum B attack helicopter has been delivered to the Russian Army and supplies will continue this year. The Russian state information company TASS reports that the Arsenyevsky aviation plant is loaded with the production of such helicopters. The Kamov Ka52M is a Russian attack helicopter with the signature coaxial rotor system from the Kamov Design Bureau. The combat efficiency of the Ka52M helicopter is substantially enhanced through an improved sighting system that will enhance its ability to engage weapons at night. The contract for the first 30 Ka52M was signed in August 2021. A new contract was signed in August 2022. TASS has no official confirmation of this information. The new version announced by the Russian Ministry of Defense in 2018 has finally crystallized into the Ka52M attack helicopter. 114 helicopters of this new version will be obtained. In addition, older Ka52s must be upgraded to the Ka52M standard. Improvements realized in the Ka52M include a modernized GOES 451M electro optical targeting turret with a longer range, stronger undercarriage wheels, and improved cockpit ergonomics, with better adaptation to the use of night vision goggles. LMUR missiles added to the helicopter's armament options. Several new radar types are being considered for the Ka52M. A new self-protection system will also be installed on the Ka52M, replacing the current L3705 Vitebsk. Finally, the Ka52M was adapted to work in the new battlefield command and control system. The Kamov Ka52 Alligator is a highly upgraded version of the Kamov Ka50 Black Shark with a side-by-side two-seat cockpit for the Russian Air Force. Reporting name Kamov Ka50 Black Shark NATO, the Hokum A is a Russian single-seat attack helicopter with the signature coaxial rotor system from the Kamov Design Bureau. It is produced by the Progress company in Arsenyevsky. It is used as a fully armed reconnaissance helicopter. This is the world's first operational helicopter with a rescue ejection system. Compared to the original Ka50, it has a softer nose profile and a radar system with two antenna masts mounted for air targets and nose mounted for ground targets. Day and night TV thermal surveillance systems in the two round towers, one above the cockpit and the second under the nose, were also installed. Ka52 has a gun mounted alongside the original Ka50. It featured 6 wing-mounted hardpoints compared to the 4 on the Ka50. To maintain the same weight and performance as the Ka50, the armor capacity and magazine/gun feed were reduced. Two VK2500 Ka52 Alligator turboshaft engines allow the helicopter to operate at altitudes above 5,000 meters. It has a static ceiling of 4,000 meters, and is capable of taking off and landing in hot climates and high mountains. The Alligator can also operate in cold climates and icy conditions. Serial production of the Ka52 started at the Progress Arsenyevsky Aviation Company factory in Arsenyevsky, Primorsky Krai in late 2008. Following the completion of state trials, the Ka52 entered service in May 2011 with the first operational unit joining Russia Air Force that same month. In February 2018, the Russian Ministry of Defense expressed interest in purchasing an additional 114 Ka52s in the new state armament program for 2018 to 2027.